Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Julie.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw
Realistic eyes.
Shall we begin?
Definitely.
Okay. We're going to start with an oval here and I'm going to do a line like that, and then on this side here, kind of the eyes are generally an eye up wide apart. So if we start drawing an eye there, we want to draw the other eye here. So we're going here. We're going to draw another eye like that.
Those are not ovals.
Well, no, we're going to do the upper bit of the oval underneath. Okay, so we've done the top bit, and then we're going to do the bottom bit like that. Okay. Now, if we see, I've kind of done it a little bit wrong, so we can just kind of neaten it up a little bit. Now, when we're drawing the eyelashes,
Mine look.
Yours looks great. Okay. When we're doing the eyelashes, we give it a little flick at the sides.
That's
so
because it's using makeup.
yeah, or there's longer eyelashes. Yeah, so we kind of do like a little flick in the corner.
A bit thicker.
Yeah. Okay, like that. And then what we want to do is we want to sort of blend that in. Like that. Okay.
Mine looks a bit too thick.
No, that's great. Okay. Okay, and if you look at this edge, at the corner, the end corner, so the outside corner of the eye, so that's the inside corner, that's the outside, that's looking great. On the outside corner, we just want to make it a little bit thicker there, and a little bit thicker there, and that kind of helps us to make it look like the eyes are, yep, that's perfect. Okay, now for the eyebrows, so we move up a little bit to there, we're kind of going to do a swoosh, so we're going to go up like that.
It looks a bit
like
boring
that.
without expression.
Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to thicken up this part of the eye. Okay? Eyebrow. Okay. And make it get thinner
At the end.
at the end, yeah.
Does mine look good?
That's great. Okay. Now for the eyes, when we draw the eyes, we're going to draw a circle. Now, depending on where you want to put the circles, if we put two circles point that way, it's going to look like she's looking or he's looking that way, or that way, looking that way, or up or down. So depending on.
I wanted to do it that. No,
Okay, looking to the left. Oh, sorry, looking to the right. Okay, so let's do a circle there. And a circle there. Okay. Now what we're going to do next is we're just going to add like a letter C. Okay. So we're just going to kind of do that there and that there. And what's really going to make the eyes work is when we colour it in. Okay, that's looking fantastic. So we're going to drop down and we're going to do a different kind of style of eyes. Okay. And it's the same, but we're just going to make it a little bit more angular. Okay, so let's start. So it's going to kind of be more, there's going to be more straight lines rather than more curved lines. Okay, so this one we're going to do a curve there. We've got to think an eye's distance apart. So about here, I'm going to do another curve there, like that. Okay, and for these eyes, instead of curving straight over, I'm going to go up a little bit and then down. So up and then down like that. Up and then down like that. Okay. And for these eyebrows, yeah, that's good. No, that's good. Don't worry, yeah, they're a little bit more droopy, yeah? So for these eyebrows, we're going to go, instead of it being a swoosh up and over, we're going to do like a straight line like that. And a diagonal line like that.
Angry.
Yeah, and then we're going to do a line like that.
I forgot to do that one.
And a line like that.
Right.
Okay. That's right. Okay, so for these eyebrows, we made that bit thicker, but for these eyebrows, we're going to make this bit thicker. Okay, so we're going to widen it out at that point. Like that. Okay. and then we're going to, like that. Looking good. And the same with these eyes. What we're going to do is we're going to make it darker on the outside corner. So we make that line thicker there. Okay. Good. And then again for the top eyelashes, instead of drawing individual eyelashes, we're just going to give it a bit of volume. So I'm going to thicken the top there and there. Okay. Now which direction are we going to have them looking at? Should we make them look in the opposite direction, looking that way? Yeah. So we'll draw our circles like that, and like that, and then if we do that little C in there like that. Okay, so now we're going to colour in, but where we put the colour is important, because what it's going to do,
Blend in.
yeah, but also it's going to help give the shape of the eye socket, okay, because the eyes sit inside the skull, okay, so there's shadows around the eyes, okay, and we kind of got to be quite delicate, so if we put it in too heavy, it's going to look like they're tired. So I'll tell you what, let's just colour the inside of the eyes first. Wow, what an amazing drawing. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell if you'd like to receive notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like us. We also want to announce a competition which will be run until the end of September. If you send in a picture to our Facebook page, you could win this amazing book of how to draw animals. Post your picture into our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids, and Yuli and our panel of experts will pick a winner. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.
Goodbye.